still 12 years old. I'm rocking these cards.
Hey, monkey, what doing?
Oh, this thing called Duty.
Monkey, that's not on the 3DS.
What am I playing? Wait, oh yeah, it's a race car game. Come on, Piggy! No, my high score!
Monkey, it's cracked.
No!
Oh, let me grab it. I'll just close it right quick and then grab it.
My high score! Score!
Remember what we're doing? It's cracked. Monkey, stop! They don't make them no more. You can't get out of here. They don't make these no more, monkey. So I want to just get the Xbox.
What proper Xbox? The Xbox Series X.
It's S and no Xbox One S.
Tell me to get it.
GameStop.
You're this to me now. $1 gonna buy you something.
Oh, god dang it, what happened?
Hey.
What?
Is this GameStop where you sell all
Yep, this is the GameStop.
Sure doesn't look like it.
Read the sign, idiot.
Just because it has a sign doesn't mean it's a GameStop.
It's a GameStop.
Okay.
What, idiot, watch your mouth or get out of my store.
I want to buy this.
Alright, $3. It's $3 for here and $3 for here, and that's free because it's just a controller. But nope. Yeah, buy with the console. This whole right here is free, but this right here, the whole thing is $3.
I can't buy it because I can only buy stuff if my wife is around.
Oh, get out of my store! Duh! Get out of my store! Get back to work. 3, 2, 1. Monkey, what's wrong? Did you get the Xbox?
It's terrible. I can't buy anything when my wife isn't around.
Aren't you rich though?
Yeah, I could have, but I couldn't.
I can lend you the money.
Really?
Yeah, could you please stop doing that? I get my wallet. Here you go, Monkey. It's the wallet, but you gotta pay me back though.
How much?
It's $3.
Just so you know, I'm not paying it back.
What? Hey!
I'm back.
No. Get $3 to pay for the Xbox. It's not Xbox, it's Xbox. Alright. Here, give me this. Alright, let me just take this and put it in the bag. There, monkey. It's great doing business with you. I'm gonna go to this. I'm gonna buy something at Walmart. 3, 2, 1. What?
I bought the Xbox.
Monkey? How are you supposed to play? You don't have a TV. Uh-oh.
What are you doing?
It's GameStop. Ah!
Hello? Anybody around here?
Oh, hold on. Oh, that's fixing the TV. You again, what do you want?
I want to buy it.
I just got this in 2 hours ago.
I want to buy it.
I mean, 1 second ago. Alright, fine. That'll be $3. Everything here is $3.
Alright, here you go.
Where's the wallet? Don't take my wallet.
Oh, I've got my pocket.
Where is he? Oh, okay. You got $2 in here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Alright. Here's your TV, sir. Take the wallet. Alright.
Turn the Xbox now.
Okay, everything's in place.
No.
Ready to see if it works?
Yep.
What's up, monkey? Let's see if it works. Oh god, here it goes. It works! Monkey, have you heard about Fortnite? It's a cool new app. I mean, thing on Xbox. We're gonna download it?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Alright, just gotta wait for it to load up.
Look, it's starting installing. First play. Whoa, that was fast, Monkey.
I know.
Monkey, I can buy you the battle pass so you can big you gotta level up to get skins.
Oh, heck yeah, you know?
That means you can go to the live event with Galactus.
Give me some.
Oh, wait. Alright, Monkey.
Yeah.
Go to the item shop, Monkey. Here, I'll get my wallet.
Okay.
And there, Monkey's bought.
Alright.
We already played the levels. Now, look at your skin.
Alright, I'm gonna go to my locker. Whoa! Thank you, Junior.
Yeah.
I got Thor's hammer, I got everything.
Monkey, I already downloaded it, so it was already downloaded.
Oh,
But-
look, I got the
But you can have
throwback.
this Xbox.
This is so cool. Let's play around.
We're gonna match, Monkey?
Yeah, let's do it.
Here. Okay, let's go. Here, tell me how you do.
Alright.
I'm matching,
Solo time. Don't
Monkey?
do solo at once.
solo, because you're on playing.
Alright.
Right? Oh, and the pickaxe is Thor's hammer. So, I'll see you later, monkey.
Alright, bye. School these kids are Fortnite. Let's do this. Oh, look, I'm Thor. Oh, Goldilocks. Oh, break this right here. Both stairs. Oh, man. Alright. The bomb was looking fine today. I don't even need a balloon anymore. What am I gonna drop? I'm gonna drop whipping ward. No, it's 20 seconds. Let's go. Whee! Whee! Going in circles. Whee! Woo! Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm getting a little dizzy. Oh, look at my hammer. I can fly. Whee! I believe it. Oh, Deadpool's pants. It's a DP's pants. Can I salute it? Of course not. That was last season. Open downstairs. Oh, someone has a gun. Someone has a gun. Dang it! Oh! Oh! I hate you, George. I hate that skin when it first came out. Stupid tape. Oh! Oh, that killed me. Alright, time to school some more. It's the last day. Tomorrow the live event starts. 4 p.m. Eastern. Oh, the bottle bus is on. Oh, look at those jets. My controller is so vibrating. Let's go Stark. Alrighty, here we go. I have 2 tapes. Oh, that's from my butt. Huh, where do I wanna go? Of course, Tony Starks. Dun, 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 dun. No! Watch out, run! I wanna go Stalker. Go, 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 go. Medkit. Dang it, not enough max. Alright, here we go. Gotta break this. Break this. Hey, break. Oh, I need a medal. Alright, let's go. Oh, come on. I got this. Alright, No, I died! Stupid Stark bitch! I'm earning this place! Suck it, Fortnite! Suck it! Maybe I should play a different game and shit. You know what? I hate Fortnite now! I can't even look at it! Makes me want to throw up!
Hey monkey, what's going on? Oh, you're playing Fortnite, my favorite game in the whole entire world.
Oh, you hate Fortnite.
Why, monkey? You have skins, axes.
Died.
Oh, yeah.
I can't even play.
Hey monkey, you want a heads up penny?
A heads up penny?
If you have a heads up penny, it'll make you lucky.
Okay, sure.
Okay. You should go back to the lobby because I don't watch this full. I'll get the penny.
Okay.
I couldn't find the lucky penny, but I can play it on my Nintendo Switch.
Okay.
You'll be surprised about my skins, okay?
Okay.
Okay, guess you're ready. It's red and it has 2 D's on its head, like the logo, like the letter, 2 D's, okay?
Daredevil.
You will see.
Alrighty, I'm gonna join Junior's party.
Hey monkey, like my skin? It's Daredevil.
Daredevil?
I have the comic book version too. See, watch. Now let's go to here. Under my dancerous. Where did that 0 monkey? Hey monkey, wanna see my monkey? You do a dance, I do a dance, okay?
Okay. 3, 2.
1, go. Monkey, ready for the battle?
Yep.
Let's get to it. Ready, monkey?
Jordan, did you see his crusty lips?
No, but I was a dance though. I see I got this one, monkey.
I can't see it.
Let's get this idiot to hit me. Alright, I'll put this down. Hey monkey, what are you doing?
I'm spraying.
Monkey, where are you going?
Look, I'm gonna look behind me, I think. Whee!
Monkey, you know you can't die. It'll push you in the air.
Yeah. Alright, so where are we gonna land?
Monkey, how are we gonna Doomsdomanian? Monkey,
Doomsdomanian is?
hold on, no, I'm gonna just put this mark right here.
Yeah, put it right there. Alright, go. Let's jump from that. Okay, alright, let's go.
Monkey, I'm following you behind.
Uh-huh. Some pool.
Monkey, how would just cut the camera when we're already there?
Alright.
Monkey, why do we switch consoles again? Why am I on the Xbox?
Well, I feel like you can do it.
Alright, Monkey, fine. I'll play on the
I'm
Xbox.
still coming down.
You know I'm already playing on the Xbox. These stuff are here.
Whee! Oh, someone's here. Go, run.
So the,
Oh, shooting!
hey, Monkey? Oh no, Monkey, I'm saving you. Ah!
I got him.
Monkey, help me! Monkey! Monkey! Monkey, help me! Get my revive thingy.
Hold on, shoot this lady.
Thank God, monkey, help me.
Ah!
What happened, monkey? You died?
I'm dead.
Wait, monkey, was this this guy? Was there this guy just there?
Yep. What's up?
You died, monkey. You died.
Okay.
Oh, I'm trying to reload. This button. Wait, no, that's the wrong button. How do I reload, monkey? I'm trying to figure this out.
Go to your setting. Go hit leave match.
Wait, I'm gonna leave the match. Look like Galactus, crusty lip self. Do you have that? Oh no, okay, this is cut. Alright, monkey, we're back in. Monkey, want to see the other? I'm gonna change my skin right quick, monkey.
Okay.
Okay, ready? I want to see my skin.
I'm gonna change my skin too.
Hey, look at my skin, monkey. Monkey, you have Captain America too?
Yep.
Oh, I forgot. Did you already have all these skins already? Alright, but okay, so alright, monkey. So let's just.
Oh, do you want to know my pickaxes?
No, I didn't want to know that.
My pickaxe is Groot's pickaxe.
Okay, so I'm just
I don't
gonna.
have Captain America's pickaxe.
Let's just go into max, monkey.
Okay.
Alright, monkey, ready?
Yep, ready yep.
Monkey, you're not ready.
Continue.
Okay. Let's cut it to us being on the helicarrier. Monkey, what are you just singing?
Oh,
We're literally right next to each other.
oh, I'm singing Ninjas.
Monkey, don't sing that to the headset.
Okay, fine.
Oh, monkey, I'm Seahawk.
I'm Captain America. Look at my victory umbrella. We got a John Wick in here. Kill John Wick. I got a question for everybody.
What?
Why is there's a noob, there's a Jonesy noob, a default skin in here, and he's level 277.
Wait, the John Wick skin's the default?
No, that's the default. He's higher level than us.
And is that why he's on fire?
Yeah. How did a default get a higher level than us, Junior? Junior, I thought the battle pass would level us up.
It is, but we have to level up to get the skins.
Junior?
Let's go back to your roof.
I want to smack someone in the head.
Why?
Ooh, get him. Alright. The battle bus is flying without no balloon. How is that possible?
We're gonna go. Let's try this one side again, monkey.
Alright, let's go. Doomsday.
When we get right next to it, we gotta jump.
Alright. 5, 2, 7, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. Jump! Go second floor, baby. You know the drill. Take a costume and go down.
Wait, monkey, you knew that there was costumes?
Yeah, I played it once or twice before I went at my cousin's house. Played it once or twice. Hard as it is.
Monkey, you don't have a cousin.
I don't. Random peeps, kill them all. Kill them all, Lynn. I mean, Junior. I don't even know who the heck William is. Who's William?
I don't know.
Run!
Run! But still, go down there.
Don't die. No, Junior, help! Help me, Junior. Junior, look out! They're idiots. Kill them. Junior, watch out! There's someone behind you. Junior, there's someone behind you. Junior.
Uncle, we died twice on there.
Not.
Let's ready up, monkey.
Alright, this is our last time. And if we don't win, I ain't going to break the TV. You hear me? Break the TV.
Monkey.
What?
Are you just bluffing?
Maybe. Maybe not.
Monkey. I thought you'd be better to play on the Switch. The Switch is a screen, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, monkey. I'm taking your promise on that one. We're back, monkey.
Mine's a little slower than yours.
Now if I shoot you and then... Let's shoot Galactus right there.
Shoot the Galactors.
I don't like that person coming down to me.
I wanna go try to talk to Galactus. See you later.
Me too. I'm She-Hulk, baby. Oh, monkey, what if I break the battle bus?
Don't do it. We get her to fly. Don't do it. Junior. Junior. Junior.
Uh-oh.
Hey, Junior, I gotta go take a bathroom break.
Okay.
I'll still be playing though.
Monkey, where are you going?
Bathroom break. I'll still be playing. See you later.
Okay, boy, turn off your headset though.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, let's see. Monkey, we're going here. I promise we can do that. God. Oh, let's get in here. Sky's time. Oh shoot, I'm about to blow. Look, there's Monkey. Oh, you were good. You already took up the cards. gonna find and destroy Dr. Doom. Doomray. Oh, no, I'm just playing. Alright, time to go home, Monkey. He still got stare beams. We don't find Dr. Doom where to destroy him, but we still have a family. I mean, we still burned down his mansion, though. Oh, the storm, that's why it's running away. What is a crate? There's a circle with arm button. Wrong button. Oh no, we're gonna die. I can still make it. RP me. Oh no, he died.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me!
What's wrong, monkey?
We died!
Yeah? See, I know something to make you happy.
What? Really?
We're doing another match.
Oh yeah, this is our last match because I don't like losing. Let's do something new. Let's try Vaulted.
Don't you wanna so you wanna play Battle Royale or do something else? Like a mini game?
No, we're doing Unvaulted.
Why monkey? What's unwanted?
Unvaulted means we get to play with stuff that's been vaulted. Stuff that's not in regular Battle Royale.
Like banned stuff. Like we can't touch it. We can only go here to touch it.
Like the tentacle shotgun.
Wait,
That's been vaulted.
Isn't that in Battle Royale though, monkey?
No.
How do you know this?
I watched another YouTuber.
Is it Ninja?
No, it's typical gamer.
I thought first say if it was Ninja, you would say, God, no, not him. But you said who knows? Monkey, you watch typical gamer?
Yeah, he's like my favorite YouTuber.
So you say that Ninja's a fraud?
That's what I think.
That's what you think?
Yeah.
Cause I got monkey. I got an AK-47. Thor. Monkey, wanna see my impression?
Yeah.
I'm Thor, son of Odin.
Hi, I'm Captain America.
And we need you to make America great again.
And we need you to make America great again.
So where we're going, monkey?
We're gonna
How about
go...
the chemical plant? Oh, wait, is that worse?
That's
How about we
weird.
go to the middle? The little island.
Let's go!
We're going to the little island.
Yep. Put your umbrella so you can get there faster. We'll see.
Like, first if you die, you go there faster.
I mean, if you die, you don't respawn. So.
Wait, I die, but it's like real. Is that Battle Royale? Like when you die, you don't respawn.
I never played this game before, so I really don't know.
Where's the horizon?
Man, we should have been here for. Oh, there's someone landing on top of you.
There's someone else for you. Heartbeat guns, they're here. I'm pretty sure they're not friendly either. Oh, great, I found a chest already.
I got a Tommy gun.
Shoot them.
I got a bush.
Got dynamite. I'm lighting up like dynamite. Bam!
I got dynamite. Where are you? I'm on the bottom. I'm coming. Where are you?
Oh, God. Help me. Tommy gun, ah! Get these bastards.
Dang it! I didn't even get the chance to use my bush. Oh, you guys are kidding me!
What's wrong, Lucky?
We died!
Yeah? Mike, let's play one more game. Just ready up. Okay, fine. You're running up? Alright, let's go.
Yeah.
Hey, Monkey. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, Monkey, don't get mad if you lose, okay?
Okay.
No way, I'm actually going down.
Yeah, we can do that.
But we're not even on the battle bus. Oh, no. Is this unwanted again or something?
Unwanted.
Yeah. So let's go to the middle again.
Right.
Wait, it's not where we died.
Yeah, but we can try it again.
Let's go, boy.
And I have a pulse for it. Alright, this time probably one person's landing with us.
That's better than like 50 people.
There 50 people last time?
More than 50, I think. Oh yeah, I got a gun already.
Oh, there's a
All
bullet up here.
No, monkey, stop, monkey, don't do that.
Don't do what?
Dude, you can't, don't. Alright, okay, monkey, found a chest. Monkey, I got a chest. Monkey, I have a chest. Okay, ready? Ready? Okay, monkey, ready? Ready, monkey? Monkey, where are you?
There's a chest up here somewhere.
Monkey, you have the Groot thingy? Do you have the skin? Oh, wait, you don't have the battle pass, I forgot.
Yeah. Only go with us. Well, I haven't seen anyone yet. I have a crossbow!
Monkey, I'm fighting so many guns. What the?
Oh,
I'm like crouching. Who crouches? Okay, maybe me, but still, I'm breaking you. Uppercut. Hi, monkey. The storm. Well, we're in the circle, right?
Yeah.
We have to go to Strict Industries because that's one of the closest place to go. Hey, monkey, how are you all the way up there? Oh, no, let's go like this. Let's do this. This. Oh wait, no. Shoot. Alright, let's break that. Oh no! Shoot, we broke the thing. Oh god. Here, I have to rebuild another one.
Alright.
Break this so no one can follow us.
Oh. Let's go farther into the circle. I got a cool gun. Let's go. There's not 50 players remaining. There is 46 people. 47. Oh, wait, do you want this? Oh!
What happened?
I got shot.
Someone's here, monkey?
Yeah, oh, there's a boat.
A boat? Where? Oh, right over there.
There's somebody over there. Get down, get down.
It's in the water.
Shoot it down.
Get down, get down, get down.
Rocket!
Oh, good, Rocket! Rocket! Rocket, run! Ah, shoot!
Ah! No, you gotta be kidding me! Ah!
Hey, monkey, what's wrong?
We died!
I know. Hold on. I know. And?
I will break this controller.
Monkey, no, stop. Back up. Put the controller down. Give me the switch, too, since I can't touch it. Monkey. Monkey. You keep dying, monkey, please. You're not... Monkey, you're not gonna get better if you keep getting mad over Fortnite.
I'm gonna break the TV.
No! No, 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 no!
Let me at him! Let me at him!
No! No, 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 stop, 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 alright. You come with me, you come with me. Monkey, you're never... You're staying downstairs until you learn how to play right.
Downstairs, keep trying till I get a kill. I finally won after 10 hours. Man,
Monkey was like Wilson in there.
I won.
You won? Hold on. I'll just crack my bones right quick. Dang it. I'll stick it. I think it. Hold on. Let me get my glasses. You won?
I won.
He won. He won. Don't get off of me. I want to dance. Monkey, let's celebrate with some homemade TGI Friday wings. Ready? Let's go.